All right, Suzuki Vstrom 800 and 800DE models, rear rack installation guide, the supplied hardware besides the tail rack, 2 M8 by 40 millimeter long tapered Allen bolts, 2 M8 by 60 millimeter long Allen bolts, and then we have corresponding spacers, 2 tall spacers, 2 short spacers, 2 nylock nuts, and 2 washers. Ratchet extension, 5 millimeter Allen socket, and a 10 millimeter hex socket. You can also go with a 13 millimeter wrench/spanner or another ratchet and a 13 millimeter hex socket. All right, first off, we will have to take out these 2 bolts that secure the rear end of the grab handles and the tail rack. All right, first the tall spacer is gonna go at the front, short spacers at the back, like so. Okay, we're gonna place the tail rack on top. So your best bet may be to put the rear bolts in last, and first put the washer and a nylock nut in place, and then through the top, drop the bolt in, and then spin it, like so. So when that's all done, you can begin to gradually tighten all the bolts and nuts. And should you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us via email info@outbackmotortek.com, or you can also call toll free 877-931-3636. Thank you for watching.